A good woman no cometh from the Lord. They know they see her for market. A good woman is a blessing from above. Her type will not there for market. I told you more, Yaku. When you batra kolisa seva, you know more those Yaku. When you batra those Yakumo. Always loving everybody, no discrimination. What a dimma, no competition. Come and see blessings of the Lord. Everyone Yamaka, a good woman no coming from the Lord. Chuku is a blessing from above. Akwanye chotra nezi wanye chotra no hiyoma. Akwanye chotra nezi wanye diamwe no gondo. He will find that the wife who will find that the good thing. So dear man. And obtain a favor from the Lord. Blessings of the Lord. A good woman who cometh from the Lord. To avoid I know. If you lose a good woman, everything goes scatter. Everything go nyama. Na so confusion. Wahala day. Honeymoon. She risks it all for her family. No retreating, no surrender. I know Chumona Boso. She puts her trust in God. Oh. She is confident. She is more than a diva. Come and see blessings of the Lord. Flavor upon the dance or the dance now. Big Smoke.
do.
Shaggy.
I will dance is my happiness.
Thank you.